NASA tested an engine that seems to violate the laws of physics, and it appeared to work. Every rocket works by throwing mass out the back to move forward. This is Newton's law of conservation of momentum, and it's never been broken. The M drive has no exhaust. It's a sealed metal cone that bounces microwaves internally. Yet, according to tests, it produces thrust. That's like sitting in a car, pushing on your own dashboard, and having the car move forward. Physics says that's impossible. Not difficult. Impossible. Yet NASA's EagleWorks lab measured a small but real thrust, barely enough to move a paperclip, but it was there, and unexplained. Some physicists have suggested it's pushing against the quantum vacuum, the sea of invisible energy that fills empty space, essentially rowing through reality itself. The results are controversial. Some labs replicate the thrust, others don't. The scientific community is basically in a staring contest with this thing. The M drive exists in a limbo, too real to ignore, too impossible to accept. Physics says it can't work. The tests say it does. One of them is wrong. Number 9. The cosmic rumble. Space is silent, but radio waves travel through it. When radio telescopes pointed at the sky, they detected a faint, constant hiss coming from everywhere at once. Some background noise is expected. Scientists calculated the total from all known radio sources in the universe. The problem? The actual noise is 6 times louder than all known sources combined. It's like being home alone with everything turned off, but hearing loud music. You check every room, and nothing is on. That's the situation with the universe. The signal isn't from one direction, it's from everywhere. It's as if the universe itself has a hum, an engine running underneath everything we see. Whatever is making that extra noise is completely invisible to us, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. Number 8. The unexpected X-ray signal. While scanning distant galaxies, NASA telescopes detected a mysterious spike of X-rays. It didn't come from any known source like a star or black hole. Scientists checked every known particle and process. Nothing matched. This leaves an unsettling possibility. We might be watching dark matter die. We've never seen dark matter, but we know its gravity holds galaxies together. It makes up 27% of the universe. One theorized type of dark matter, the sterile neutrino, can decay. When it does, it should release X-rays at the exact energy level NASA detected. If dark matter, the cosmic glue holding galaxies together, is decaying, then everything changes. It means every galaxy, including our own, is on a timer. What makes this hard to ignore is that the signal appears in multiple galaxies, the same X-ray spike, at the same energy, over and over. That's not a glitch, it's a pattern. And a pattern nobody can explain is either the most exciting thing in the world or the most terrifying. Number 7. The axis of evil. A fundamental rule of physics, the cosmological principle, states the universe should look the same in every direction. No special directions, no special locations. When NASA's WMAP satellite mapped the early universe's temperature, scientists expected random hot and cold spots like TV static. Instead, they found a giant, unmistakable line running through the map of the entire observable universe. Scientists called it the axis of evil. This axis isn't random. It aligns almost perfectly with the plane of our solar system. Our solar system is cosmically tiny. If the universe were the size of Earth, our solar system would be smaller than an atom. The odds of this giant cosmic line accidentally pointing straight at us are basically zero. It's like dropping a single grain of sand into the Pacific Ocean, and then finding out the entire ocean's current is mysteriously flowing directly toward that one grain. If the universe has a special direction pointing at us, our location is special, which shatters the cosmological principle. Scientists tried to explain it away. They built a better satellite, Planck, and remapped the universe. The axis was still there. The most unsettling theory is that our entire model of the cosmos has been built on a wrong assumption, and the crack in that foundation points directly at us. Number 6. The cosmic ray that broke the energy limit. In 1991, a single subatomic particle hit Earth's atmosphere with the kinetic energy of a 100-mile-per-hour baseball. Scientists called it the "oh my god" particle. Physics has a speed limit for cosmic rays, the GZK limit. As particles travel through space, they lose energy colliding with light from the Big Bang. After about 160 million light-years, they shouldn't exceed a certain energy ceiling. The oh my god particle was far above that ceiling. It should have been slowed down long before reaching us, but it arrived with impossible energy. To have that much energy, its source must be relatively close. But when astronomers looked, the direction it came from was empty space. In 2021, another particle, nicknamed Amaterasu, was detected. It too was above the GZK limit, and also came from a giant cosmic void. So now we have a pattern. Impossible particles, from nowhere. Number 10. The M drive.